what's up? Brandon from Custom Speaker Pods. Today we are going to go over the installation of our flangeless pods on a 2000 to 2006 GM Fullsize truck. This will cover Tahoe, the Silverado, Yukon, Suburban, all that stuff. So basically the way that these are installed, they do not use screws. So the first thing to do is, after you remove your door panel, is remove the mesh grill. Please disregard this big hole, this door panel. It's been with us for a while. So first thing, after we remove the grill, we will line up the slots. Come and get a zoom in of this. So these posts, the purpose of these posts is to go through the slots that the grill came out of. So these have already been opened up since we've done a lot of installations on this door panel. However, this slot right here has not been opened up. So I'm going to use my razor knife and I'm going to get as close to this edge as possible and very, very carefully cut this out. Purpose for doing this is to get the post and the pod as close to the opening as possible. Right. There like that. And then there like that. And then doing this will give you the best, cleanest finish. Now, after that is done for all of the different slots, simply line everything up and get the pod in place. Now, once the pod's in place, we can flip it over. And using the included push nuts, we'll just push them on the studs. Now, keep in mind, once these nuts go on, they're not coming back off. So, line it up, push it down on there. That is it. Line it up, push it on. And this provides a very secure one-way fit for your speaker pods to mount your speakers. And that's it. Got any questions, hit us up. Thanks a lot.